Good morning. I planned on singing that, but not then. May I have your attention, please? This is an unboxing video. Alright, first things first. This is not the FOV Max. The next package will be the FOV Max. This is something Brad made me. He's got a lot of our trash parts. He made the cutting boards. We need some more of those cutting boards, but time, effort, is it worth it type of deal. But I do think we need some more cutting boards. This is a different type of display item he has made. First pass at them. I think next time they're going to be cylinders. Oh, okay. Yo. That is sick. So, a piece of wood painted, and then clear acrylic for the floating clear pelican. Let's see what this other one is. I love the idea of it. I don't think this is the perfect shape or size yet, but it looks phenomenal. I mean, you guys are going to have this in the backdrop of the videos for sure. Oh yeah. This is a B18. Look at the way that color just pops. Holy cow. So, let's go. Those are pretty legit, Brad. I think the only thing we got to do is figure out proper sizing. And be good to go. But this is going to look good. Backdrops for my videos. Hopefully we'll do a few special ones, whether they're giveaways or you can order them from Brad. And he has access to the trash parts. That's to be determined. This is what you've been waiting for. FOV Maxaroonie. Mail day opener. Oh. Keys. I mean, it's a... I guess it'll work for young kids, but it's kind of just like a generic little lock. Whoa! 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 Really should have been the Halo theme song, but alright, that's it. That's your unboxing today. I'm glad that this is here. I'm ready for club next time. 80 yo-yos. If you missed the pre-order, these will be available Friday, Saturday, sometime in the G2 store. Let's go.